I chose ACI because of the hands on deck, the resources, and the staff. The staff was incredible, and they were like always available whenever I needed help. When it comes to resources, I love the fact that they allow you to go back to like the hands-on modules or the curriculum and go back and review just, for like extra study or just in case you miss something or you're still needing a little bit of help. So I do like the fact that they do that. I also like the fact that ACI helps prepare you for the career that you're trying to be in, such as resumes. They helped us create resumes, make sure our wordings was correct, our skills were correct, and then everything in detail was correct so we can go ahead and prepare for that field. I completed the computer user support specialist. During my time in training, I would say that it went pretty well for me. Even though I barely had any IT knowledge, my teachers were always open and willing to help me. My current role is a customer support specialist. I currently do work for a software company, just remoting into people's computers and kind of troubleshooting and installing our software. To Tech Academy students, I do recommend that you take it serious and that when it's time for you to get into your career mode and get that resume updated, I recommend applying to as many jobs as you can because everything really depends on you. You have to be the one to want it. You have to be the one to apply to the jobs. So if you don't want it, then you're not going to take it seriously. If I could say one thing to the staff at ACI, I would say thank you for all the time that you guys have put in. And, just thank you for giving us that motivation and keeping us motivated to continue to push through no matter how hard it got. And I just want to say thank you again. My name is Arnasya McGee, and I am an ACI Learning graduate.